your crew, what it do? It's Laisha Michelle back with another video. If you're new here, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And today, we're finally tackling the girls' room. See, when I moved in, we kind of sort of just threw everything in here, and it became the storage room. So now, for cleaning, I'm going to organize their clothes. I'm kind of upset because of the fact, like, a lot of the stuff I ordered is on back order, so I have to sit here and wait to decorate. But you know, it's time to start because I'm ready to kick them girls. Time for them to go. Get out my bed. Y'all, I didn't realize that it was that bad in their room. I ordered a lot of their stuff, like their beds, curtains, and all of that good stuff. But everything is on back order. I had to order them some more beds because, as you can see, my little brother, when moving, they managed to break it, which I am upset about because nobody was trying to buy some more beds. Now, y'all keep in mind, I got 2 toddlers. They're 2 and 3. Why am I picking up some 3 and 4-month-old clothes? Have little girls, they say it's fun. Yeah, now that shopping problem that I had is 10 times worse because every time I go into the store, it'd be like, ooh, that's so cute. They need that, knowing daggone well they don't. Them little girls, I think that's like 2 totes of clothes. And on top of that, there's also their godparents and my mom that's always shopping. Like, I'm currently separating what needs to go in the clothes hanger, what's need to be folded, their pajamas, underwear, stockings. And here comes trouble. Everything that they say about that second child is true. Yes, she is cute, but please don't let the cuteness fool y'all. This girl is something else. Like, when I say everything they say about that second child is true, she's feral. She don't listen. She be ready to fight everybody. I don't know. Like, this one, I just act like she ain't got no home training. I don't know what to do at this point. I wish that toddlerhood came with a manual. And did I also mention that she's bossy? Like, at this point, she fussing at me to go put on her TV. Look at this. Look, just come on. Just come on. Yo, and I'm still finding stuff that's too small. Like 6 to 9 months. I don't know. Like, I thought I had picked up everything when I was packing, but I guess I didn't do too much of a good job at it. Because I'm still pulling out baby clothes. And when I say baby, I mean baby, like newborn, 6 months, 9 months. Yeah, knowing damn well them girls ain't wore that in about a year. is back. Here it is. I thought she was coming to help me fold some clothes. No, look. Now here she go with the baby doll in the blanket. Like, ma'am, I am trying to get stuff done. You're in my way. Go sit down somewhere, ma'am. And oh yeah, I also forgot to mention that is my Velcro child. Like, yeah, no, I can't get rid of her. Like, sissy, go stay asleep. This one, it don't last past 4 hours and they calling me because she couldn't up. Look, mommy, can you hold me, please? Y'all, the amount of clothes that them girls have, nobody better buy clothes for Christmas. They better buy shoes and toys. And here come Princess Diana again. That child that don't stop. She just don't quit. Mommy, I want to put on the dress. That is your Sunday dress. Then she want to go climb on stuff. She don't stop. Like, this is the one that be sitting there. She jumps off the tables, climbing on top of the chairs. Just no, like, she ain't got no home training. Like, in, I don't know. At this point, I just don't know what to do with her. Y'all, she just was not stopping. Like, look at this. Mommy, homie. Mommy, I'm tired. Mommy, I want to take a nap. Like, can I just please have 5 minutes to finish? Mommy, I want to brush my teeth. Mommy, can you hold me? No, I can't hold you. Look, like, she just Velcro with a capital V and just determined to get into everything. Go sit down, little girl. I wind up not even finishing the project.